Luli! What time is it? It's animal time. Gorilla. The gorilla is big and strong. The gorilla cub sits on its mother's back. Its father watches over his family. The gorilla likes to play and romp with its friends. Together, they roll about and hug each other. The gorilla eats grass. The gorilla cub doesn't know how to walk yet. Its mother cares for it and carries it in her arms. Parrot. The parrot has a big, strong bill. The parrot cracks seeds and nuts with its bill. It clutches the food in its claw and eats. The parrot is very colorful. Some parrots are red, blue, and green. The parrot likes to play among the trees in the forest. The parrot lives with its parrot friends in a flock. The parrot goes to sleep in a nest made of wood.